How to use H&M gift card online. Now, if you're going to be using your PC or laptop or even your mobile phone via the H&M application, the process is actually the same. So first things first is of course make sure that you're logged into your H&M account. Next thing to do is just to locate the specific product you would like to add to your buy. So for example, we will be adding this specific oversized short sleeve shirt to one of our bag. Now, next step is just to go directly to your checkout page to do this inventory bag right here. Click on checkout, and then this is where you will see all the payment methods available on H&M. So they actually do have PayPal by using your Visa debit or credit card, and then they also have the gift card option for you to be able to redeem to one of your unique codes on your card. And there all you have to do is just to choose on the specific option that says gift card, enter the unique code from the card you have, and then ensure that the item that you will be picking out or checking out will actually be paid full amount of the product. And that's it. That's how you use the H&M gift card online.